In order to find the volume of rectangular prisms, we've so far been multiplying the area of our base times the height of the prism. In other words, we were multiplying B, capital B, area of the base, times the height. Well, since the area of our base is length times width, we could substitute this expression in for capital B for the area of the base and drop down the multiplication by height to get this other formula for the volume of a rectangular prism, which is the volume is equal to length times width times height. So in this problem that we have here, we have a length of 7 inches, a width of 4 inches, and a height of 3 inches. And if we multiply these values together, we end up getting 4 times 3, which is 12. 12 times 7 is 84. And then we have inches times inches times inches, or inches cubed, or cubic inches. So the volume of this rectangular prism is 84 cubic inches. There are two types of volume formulas that can be used with rectangular prisms. The first one is volume is equal to length times width times height, or V equals LWH, where L is the length, W is the width, and H is the height. And again, it's multiplying the length, width, and height together to find the volume of the rectangular prism. The other formula that we've been working with is volume is equal to capital B times lowercase h, where capital B represents the area of the base and lowercase h represents the height of the prism, of the rectangular prism. So you're finding the area of the rectangular prism's base, which is a rectangle, and multiplying it by the height of the prism. So again, these are two formulas that produce equivalent volumes. So in this example problem, we're told that 3 times 2 represents the first layer, and the big block is 5 layers high. So there are 3 ways that this problem could be solved. You could multiply 3 times 2 times 5 and get 30 cubic units. Or you could take 3 times 2, that area of 6, and add it to itself 5 times, since there will be 5 layers to fill it in. And then if we simplify the second one, we get 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, which is 30 cubic units each time. So any of these 3 ways can be used to determine the volume of this rectangular prism.